In 2005, music producer Don Corleone had a big rhythm with Seasons, and it featured No Ordinary Love by Alaine. We recently caught up with Alaine to hear the backstory behind that massive song in our FiWi Culture segment.
Alaine, No Ordinary Love was a big hit for you in 2004. From your recollection, what was the inspiration behind the song? What drew you to write that song?
Oh, love, I love love, and it's something I talk about all the time, and I don't think it's ever going to be a time when people don't want to hear about it because we need it so much. I remember Don Corleone gave me the rhythm, and that was a big deal, I was like, wow, this can change my life, and I wrote it on my couch in my house. I remember sitting down and the sun shining through the window on me, and I remember praying and saying, God, make this change my life. And it did, it literally did. So I give thanks for it, and I give thanks for how it's become so much of people's lives, like the soundtrack to their love stories.
This is no ordinary love, oh baby.
How do you feel about the fact that it reconnects with people, a different generation?
Yeah, absolutely. It's just God, it's love, and the fact that love is forever. And I just give thanks for moments like these where I'm reminded why I sing, it is to lift people's lives to a higher frequency. It is to make people feel better, and when I can see younger kids smiling and feeling love and singing along, we're just glad, we're grateful, we just give thanks,
What kind of doors did the success of No Ordinary Love open for you?
So many. Like I said before, my phone was ringing off of the hook. I started touring, so the Caribbean. I remember my first show was in St. Croix, and then all over the rest of the Caribbean as a result of it, as well as South America, Japan, and just the whole world opened up, and so all my other songs got, ears to them as well, and it opened people's minds to, okay, who is Alaine? Let me listen to her some more and book her some more. So I'm just so grateful, And life is that way where we plant seeds and you bear the fruit. But, sometimes the fruit keeps bearing, for years and years and years, and that is the result of this. So I'm very grateful. I'm a belly full, full of fruit.
Sunshine City, big up on yourself. That is how we're going to close this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. I'm your boy Nal Daddy, and it's Dre. People, big up on yourselves, stay safe until we see you again. Zane, we're out.